Good morning, YouTube. Today's video is just a quick one, making a keto recipe. This is some cheese chips that I like to make. Really simple. I just take cheese, like deli cheese, cut it up into small pieces, put it on a pan with some parchment paper, and stick it in the oven. Cook it for a little bit, and they come out nice and crispy. It's a good substitute, like for a nacho chip. Like to do it with guacamole, and low carb. Tastes great. It's got some protein in it. It's great. Okay, so here we've got a pan. Just laid out parchment paper on it. Not wax paper, actual parchment paper. And then, personally, I like to use, if I'm doing it for a nacho chip substitute, I like to use pepper jack cheese. Kind of gives it a little bit of a kick. So basically, what I do is just take one piece of cheese. Alright, take one piece of cheese, fold it in half so it actually just breaks. Then fold it in half again. So you're going to have 4 equal pieces and spread them out on your pan. Keep going like that until the whole pan's filled up. Then they're ready to go in the oven. Okay, I got 2 pans ready to go in the oven. I like to set the oven at 375 convect and put both racks in at the same time, one on each of the 2 racks, and then set the timer for about 10 minutes. Okay, I set the timer for 10 minutes, 375 convect temperature. I rotate the racks every about 4 minutes or so, and it's kind of more of a feel for when they look like they're done as opposed to a set amount of time. Everybody's oven's going to be different. The main thing is you want them to be like nice and golden and crispy, so they mimic a nacho chip as opposed to like still soggy and cheesy. Some people might like that. I find that they keep longer in the fridge when they're nice and crispy, and ultimately I'm trying to mimic a nacho chip to eat these with some guacamole. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, time to rotate the racks. You can see it's already flattened out and just starting to get a little bit of brown crispiness around the edges. Keep it going. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes now. Time to rotate the racks one more time. These are getting there, almost done. But you almost want them to be like brown and crispy if you're trying to mimic a chip. They're getting nice and golden crispy. It's time to start really keeping an eye on it so they don't get overdone. Just about done. Almost there. Okay, these are done. So I like to wait till they just start to turn brown. Really start keeping an eye on them the last few minutes. And they're nice and shiny brown and nice and crispy. So let these cool. After they cool, I just store them in an airtight container. Perfect for eating with guacamole or salsa. And that's that. Easy keto cheese crisps. Got some guacamole. Good stuff. Hey honey, thanks for making the guacamole.